Gusto mo bang mag-start ng isang negosyo or business pero iniisip mo, teka, kaya ko na ba talaga? Kung teenager o student ka, alam ko iniisip mo na baka hindi pa oras o baka sobrang hirap. Pero guess what? Maraming successful entrepreneurs ang nagsimula ng bata pa sila. At kung kaya nila, kaya mo rin. Starting a business while you're still in school, sobrang exciting yan. Pero hindi ibig sabihin na magiging madali. Ang daming bagay na kailangan i-consider para hindi masayang yung oras at pera mo. So, if you're serious about this, let's go through the essentials together. Alam mo, I started my first business when I was just around your age, when I was 17. And let me tell you, it wasn't easy. Wala ako masyadong resources, pero meron akong drive at lakas ng loob. Yun lang ang meron ako. Kasi bilang bata, yun talaga ang edge mo eh. Marami kang energy at oras para magkamali at mag-try ulit. Pero dapat, meron kang direction. Kaya simulan natin with the key things na dapat mong i-consider when you're starting a business. Number 1, understand why you want to start a business. Una sa lahat, tanungin mo ang sarili mo. Bakit nga ba gusto kong magnegosyo? Bakit? Ano ang reason behind? Dahil ba gusto kong kumita ng pera? O baka gusto mo sumikat? Gusto mo bang maiahon ng pamilya mo sa hirap? Or maybe you're just passionate about something, about a product or a service. Your reason is important. Kasi dito ka huhugot ng motivation, lalo na kapag humirap na ang mga bagay-bagay. Let me give you one action tip. Write down your why and keep it somewhere visible. This is what you look back on to stay motivated. Number 2, start small and stay focused. Huwag agad-agad sobrang laki ng plano mo. Simulan mo sa maliit at manageable, yung sustainable lang. Minsan kasi sa sobrang dami nating ideas, ang ending wala tayo nasisimulan. So you have to focus on one simple business idea. Something na kaya mong i-handle as a student or teenager. One action tip again, brainstorm 3 simple ideas. For example, dyan, pili ka na isa, yung feeling mo na pinaka-achievable. Tapos yun ang gawin mo. Let's move to number 3. Learn the basics of money management. Alam mo, hindi sapat na marunong ka lang kumita. Hindi talaga sapat yan. Kailangan marunong ka rin mag-handle ng pera. Sayang kasi yung kita mo kung hindi mo ma-manage, di ba? Maraming bata ang nadadala sa kita pero hindi naiintindihan ng gastos. So, ang kailangan mong gawin bago ka mag-start ng business, open a savings account and separate your personal savings from your business earnings. Number 4, build a support system. Mahalaga rin na meron kang support system, whether it's your friends, your family, or a mentor. Kailangan mo ng mga taong susuporta at magbibigay ng advice sa'yo. Hindi kailangan marami. Okay? Only quality people na talagang makakatulong sa'yo. Basta may makausap ka when things get tough, okay na yun. You have to find at least one mentor or adult na may experience sa business and ask if they're open to giving you advice. Kung hindi naman, madami sa internet, hanapin mo sila. Step number 5, balance your studies and business. Ang totoo niyan, business takes a lot of time and effort. Pero bilang estudyante, priority pa rin ang education. Kaya ang challenge, paano may ibabalance ang business at studies? Hindi pwedeng puro negosyo ka lang kasi mahalaga pa rin ang education mo para sa future. At syempre, diyan ka natututo. Mahalaga din yan para sa mga magulang mo. So what you have to do? Set specific hours or days para sa business mo. Huwag mo hayaang maapektuhan yan yung grades mo. Kumuha ka ng oras, then go hard on your business sa mga extra time mo. Go hard on it, go full out. Kasi mamaya yung business mo pala ang magdadala sa'yo sa tagumpay. Step number 6. Prepare to fail and learn fast. Sa business, hindi lahat ng araw panalo. Okay? Maraming rejection. Maraming pagkakamali. Daan-daang pagkakamali. Pero yun ang maganda bilang bata. You have the time to learn and bounce back. because you've got all the time you need. Failure is not a bad thing as long as you learn from it. So, after each setback, kapag nagnenegosyo ka na at bumagsak ka, ask yourself what you learned and how you can improve next time. Okay? So, kung iniisip mo pa rin na gusto mo mag-start ng business bilang estudyante, after all ng sinabi ko, ang masasabi ko lang ay go for it. Gawin mo na. But remember, kid, hindi ito madali. Pero sulit lahat ng hirap kung makuha mo ang tamang mindset at preparation. Hindi kailangan maging perfect ang lahat. Hindi kailangan na smooth ang lahat. Ang mahalaga lang, handa ka and you're willing to learn. Now, it's time to take the first step. Kung seryoso ka sa goal mo, start planning today. Alamin mo ang resources mo. Ano ba ang meron ako? Ano ba ang meron ka? And take small steps forward. Kung natatakot ka, tandaan mo, lahat tayo natatakot sa simula. But that's part of the journey to success. So, are you ready to start building your dream? Kung ako sa'yo, simulan mo na.